Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the EGR valve on this 2003 Mercury Mountaineer with the 4.6 liter V8 engine. And it's the same part and similar process on these Mountaineers from 2002 to 2003. And the items that you'll need for this is a new EGR valve from 1AAuto.com and a 1 1/16 inch wrench and 10 and 11mm socket and ratchet. Start off by removing these two 11mm nuts, and we'll just fast forward as Mike does that. Lift the engine cover up and off, and then open up the clip on the back and pull the hose free. Now your EGR valve is right here, and just pull this hose off the top of it, and it's held in with two 10mm bolts and then this large nut right here. And you want to start off just using your 1 1/16 inch wrench to just loosen up that nut. And after a couple turns with the wrench, it'll loosen up enough where you can just loosen it the rest of the way by hand. And we'll continue to fast forward as Mike removes those two 10mm bolts. And as you pull out that second bolt, your EGR valve will pull free. On the left is the old EGR valve, on the right is the new one from 1AAuto. You can see they're identical and they'll fit exactly the same.
Our old gasket came off right with the EGR valve, but if your gasket sticks to the intake manifold, you'll need to remove any gasket material. Start the bolts into the new gasket and then start the bolts into the engine and tighten them up. Then line up that tube and just start twisting that nut back into place by hand. And once you get it in as far as you can by hand, just tighten it up with that wrench. And just push this hose back into place. Take your cover, push it back down into place. Make sure those clips push back in. Then replace those two 11mm nuts and tighten them up. And then push that hose back into the clip and close the clip.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.